This is the grilled chicken, and it comes with little packets of rice, and you get some kalamansi,
Yeah.
kalamansi, and peppers. These are extremely hot. And then you can get some vinegar and soy sauce. And you get these gloves. And what you do with the gloves, and I like to open the rice like that. I have two. Double layer it. So I crumble up the rice like that. Of course, take this. You take one of these, and I like to squeeze these kalamansis. They're like little baby limes. And these peppers. And then add some chicken with my clean hand. And then that's how I do it. And then you just take it with the rice. Also, I bring my own water because I can never trust the service water. And then once you're finished and you've got the scraps, you just give the scraps to the dogs that are waiting. Baby. Silly?